Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the file and your environment. First, save the Justification report as an XLSM macro-enabled workbook so macros can live in the file. Next, make sure Excel shows the Enable Editing banner and click it. This allows the file to run. Then open File Options, Trust Center, and pick Trust Center settings to reach macro controls. Once done, you've completed the first actionable steps. Now move to changing macro policy and adding safe locations. You now adjust the macro policies so the report runs reliably. In Trust Center macro settings, choose Disable with notification to get prompts, or Enable all if you're in a controlled environment. This makes testing faster. Then go to Trusted Locations and add the folder where your XLSM sits so Excel auto-trusts it. If you need enterprise-grade reliability, digitally sign the VBA project or import a certificate. This prevents prompts for users. Make sure to save changes and reopen the workbook to apply them. You finish by executing and validating the macros in the Justification report. Open Developer Macros or press Alt plus F8, run the main procedure, and step through with the VBA editor to confirm logic and data flow. Test with sample records to ensure formulas, cell protections, and output formatting work as expected. If macros do not run, check Protected View, ActiveX settings, and Group Policy restrictions. Make sure the folder is still a trusted location. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily sign and run the macro on one machine to isolate policy issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.